Hey, what's up guys, hope that all doing well. So if you want these trending fluffy icons on any Samsung device, so that is now possible. Previously I used this trick to install it on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but you can install it on any Samsung Galaxy device. Previously I was unable to install it on my Galaxy A24, but now it is possible. Maybe it was not optimized at that time, but now you can. First of all, you will have to install this application with the name of One UI Fluffy Icons from the Play Store app. Then tap on Good Luck application. Then tap on Theme Park. Now tap on Create New in the icons. And now you have to tap on Icon over here. And now tap on Icon Pack. From here, select Fluffy Icons. And that's it. Now you just have to simply save it. And the Fluffy Icons will be applied on your phone. You can also add a glass change for the other apps that are not optimized with the fluffy icons, and that will give you a glass effect. And once you have customized it the way you like it, simply tap on the top right corner to save it. You can randomly name it and then tap on OK. Now it will be saved on your device. Now simply tap on the saved icon pack and tap on apply. And that's it. Now the fluffy icons will be applied on your device and you can use these trending fluffy icons on your phone. As you guys can see, all of these icons are looking really amazing and almost all the apps is supporting these icons. As you remember, I applied that glass effect and in the folders you can get to see the glass effect with the fluffy icons. Further, if you talk about the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy phones, so the official update will be released with the launch of S26 series, and after that, in the month of March to May, you will get to see this on multiple devices. First of all, it will be released for the flagship devices and then you can get to see in other devices. And that's a wrap for today's video. Do try out these fluffy icons on your phone. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.